and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my December 2019 Bijou Beauty Box. If you aren't familiar with Bijou Beauty Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is $30 a month, and as with most subscriptions, if you sign up for a 6-month or a 12-month period, I think they would even have a 3-month one, you get a slight discount. They also have different boxes that are mystery boxes that are different prices as well that you can choose from. Their monthly beauty subscription box is $30 if you're just paying monthly. Now, I have signed up for a 6-month term of it, and this is my 3rd box, and I have to say right off the back, I am really impressed with this box. I really enjoy everything I've gotten every month, and I think this is one to watch out for, because if you especially like makeup heavy boxes with palettes and brushes, this is giving a lot of those other boxes a run for their money. So, Bijou Beauty Box. Let me show you what I got in my box. So, it always has a card. It just has their name on it. It says December Bijou Beauty Box, Happy Holidays, and then it comes with 5 full-size products, and then it gives their website and their Instagram on the card as well. I will leave all that in the description box below so you can go and check them out. The card also has the names of the items in it and the prices of what is in here. I have opened it up already. I did get it a little while ago, but you know, I'm just one of those people. I'm not going to just wait to open it up for you guys on camera because I have no willpower and I wanted to open it right away. So they usually come in these big white boxes, and from what I can tell, she usually has a nice message on all of them. This one says enjoy Leia at Bijou, and I mean, I got into it, but it was nice, wrapped nice and pretty with a bow there. So yeah, very well done. I appreciate the effort. The first item in the box is the Millenial Beaute That Ass CBD and Peach Booty Scrub. This retails for $45 for a scrub. This thing says it's a mask. This says it's a scrub. When I opened it up earlier, it did feel more like a mask. It didn't feel gritty, but maybe it does the benefits of both. It doesn't really have any instructions, so I will have to look it up. It smells nice. It smells fresh, like earthy, but fresh. And this is what it looks like. And again, it's I'm not going to stick my finger in it again, but it's not gritty. It feels more like a clay mask. And I know if you got this in the November box, she was contacting people because it was defective. I think they were going moldy and that sort of thing, but the ones coming in the December box are okay and they are safe to use. The next item that we have is by Iconic Beauty, and it is the Blue Tansy and Rosehip Mist. It soothes, balances, and hydrates. This retails for $18. And this one actually has a really nice mist on it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but good coverage to your face, and the amount that comes out is nice, and it smells really nice too. I had an essential oil mix with Blue Tansy in it before, and I really liked it, so I'm really looking forward to using this. Next up, I have a lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Luna, and it's just a clear kind of gloss with gold in it. It's really pretty. I wore this the other day, and it's not something that's going to make your lips look super frosted or anything. It just gives a nice shine to it, and I was scared of it at first, but I really do like it, and this retails for $20. Next up, we have some brushes by LoHa, and it stands for Love and Happiness, and it comes in this rose gold roll, and I have one out already, but this is what it looks like, and now I'm putting it down because it's messing with my lighting. You have seen it. It has 5 face brushes and 4 eye brushes, and then a spoolie or an eyebrow brush. They are travel size, so they're a little bit smaller, but they're really pretty. They have this crystal or rhinestone pink and clear beading on it. It's really nice. They feel really nice. They're super soft. This is one of the eye brushes. It's just more of like a flat shader brush. These are super pretty, and I always love getting brushes. The only thing with this, with the roll, is because it does have this beading on it or these stones on it, it's really hard to get it into the elastic in the roll, so I'll probably switch out these brushes for something else if I ever use this for traveling, which I never travel, so it's not really an issue. But anyway, these were going to look beautiful on my vanity. I'm going to use them, but even just as a display, they don't need, these should not be kept in the roll. They are too pretty for that. So yeah, if you do end up wanting to use them to travel with, I suggest you keep the little plastic, they have plastic on it, and it's much easier to get them in and out of the elastic in the roll if you have the plastic on. If you don't have the plastic on it, you might have to come up with a different way to get them in and out, because like I said, the little beads or stones on it make it a little tricky, but still beautiful. I love these brushes. They are just beautiful, even if they weren't functional, which I see no reason why they wouldn't be, but even if they were not, they are beautiful as display pieces. The last item in the box is also by Iconic Beauty, and this is the Downtown palette, and this is what it looks like. It is a dupe for one of the Huda Beauty palettes. I think the Desert Dusk, I'm not sure. I don't remember which one she has now, but I do not have this particular palette, the original or any other dupes, so I am happy to have this. It has like a pretty good mirror. Do it quick there for you. And yeah, I haven't used this palette. I just kind of swatched it a bit, so I can't really give an impression on what is going on there, but I can tell you I am looking forward to using it. This does have a 12-month shelf life, which I personally never adhere to anyway. It doesn't matter to me, and it is cruelty free if you are curious about that. And oh, the brushes, I think I forgot to say, the brushes retailed for $24, and this retails for $24 as well. The total retail for this box is $131, and I don't even know if I paid 30 Canadian dollars for it when I got it, because there was a sale going on and I signed up for the 6 months, so I got a discount off the monthly one from that, and then I had someone's code or something to use, or I had a first-time user code. I don't know. Look for codes and wait for sales if you want, or order the $30 a month because it's well worth it. But yeah, I'm paying in Canadian less than $30 a month is what it worked out to for the 6 months, and I am more than happy with that. I am excited to get my boxes every month. I have to say I did have a problem with the November box. I didn't end up receiving it, so I contacted them on Instagram and they got back to me within a day, I would have to say, and they were right on top of it. They have excellent customer service. They were telling me along the way what they were doing and what they were waiting for, because they had to, they were waiting for a shipment to finish it off. She wasn't sure what had happened exactly, but she thinks she fixed the problem so it shouldn't happen again. And yeah, just excellent customer service, and I highly recommend them. Mistakes happen, but how you handle those mistakes most definitely affects how I feel about a company. And I've had problems in the past before with other subscription companies, and it didn't work out too well for me. So I was a little scared when this first happened, but just her communication put me completely at ease. And yeah, she was like I said, messaging me all along, and even once she had sent it, she was messaging to see if I had gotten it. And you know, Christmas time and Canada Customs, just, it took forever to get here, but she was on top of it, and I just really appreciate that. If you are watching this, Bijou, you have amazing customer service, and I am so thankful of how you handled it, because you put me at ease, and I will 100% recommend this box. I totally love what's in here. I think if you like a makeup heavy box, if you enjoy brushes and palettes, you are going to love this box every month. Excellent customer service. Kudos to you, Bijou. Thank you so much for your help with the November box. And yeah, I got my December box at the same time. And yeah, I'm looking forward to January now. Let me know in the comments below if you get Bijou Beauty Box and what you think of it, or if you're curious about it. Again, I will leave a link in the description box below with all of their Instagram and their website and that sort of thing. I am in no way affiliated with them. I do not have a discount code other than me contacting them, and because of a problem and being subscribed to their box, they have no idea who I am. I'm just very happy to promote this box for them because I really like it, and you know, they're few and far between, I find lately, some of these good beauty boxes. So good for you, Bijou. Keep up the good work. And to everyone watching, thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.